this rally mode, I can't keep from spinning the wheel. I just love it. It's the funnest damn thing. Woo, baby. I'm talking about this damn thing got some fire. Oh no, it's a water hole right here. I ain't even going through that. No ma'am, no ma'am. I ain't even going through that water hole. No way. Box too damn clean. That's a pond right there in the middle of the road. Yeah, that's right. I turned the hill around. You know why? Because I like to ride. I'd rather go around the block than drive through a foot of water. Okay. Well, my honest review on the Ryker. This is what I got to say about this little machine, y'all. I've been riding everything from a Hayabusa to a ZX14, CBR, and you know, it goes on and on, this list of bikes that I've had and I've ridden, and I loved all of them. But when I picked this Ryker up, I honestly thought, look, you just bought a damn scooter with a training wheel on it. How are you going to be happy with this thing? Right? That's what I told myself. And then I took it for a ride. And you know what happened? I said, holy crap, this thing is badass. So, needless to say, I love my training wheel. It's fantastic. I can act silly and not have to worry about crashing. Used to when I do that, and I'd be floating it around the corner sideways on my Busa or whatever, smoking that tire, I would have white knuckles on those handlebars. There's no doubt about it. I loved it. I loved it. And I'll get another one of those bikes. I mean, I love those bikes. I love that speed. But the Ryker is a phenomenal machine. It is a blast to ride. Well, I just got back to the house here, and I got to get to work because y'all expect a lot out of me. So I have a lot to do. That was a trip to go to the Whataburger to get my breakfast for fuel to keep me going this morning.